Alright, you guys, here's where we're at. Got all the trucks and all this stuff working, as you've seen. Right now, so the motor we were going to use was this FK130, 24 volt. But the problem is that the FK130, and this is an FK130 PH, tried that one too, they don't develop torque until you get up into the 12 volt range. Just when you start getting up to their torque curve. So right now I have a Rev 1 motor in here. Alright, we can't use the Rev 1. It's just too big. It's too long. Even if I cut the back shaft off, it's not going to work. But I thought you might appreciate seeing it in action on a Shay. Let's go ahead and let's give him a try. Now I can hear a clipping noise. One of the gears is probably over here. Yeah, that's not really a tough problem to fix. We can fix that. But the Rev 1, right around 6 volts, is handling this with no problem. Running them up to about 9 volts would be totally good to go. Run them up to 12. This is in DC now. Now on my layout in DCC, we go up to 18 volts. You can still hear this thing's going to be a little bit loud, but everything is working. But the problem is Rev 1 motor, it's too big for this. We can't use it because it's too long. The Rev 1 is a length 8 motor. Alright, let's take them off here and let's compare lengths. So here's an FK130, and as you can see, the FK130 compared to the Rev 1, big difference in length. So I also I got this guy. Now this motor you can't get anymore, unfortunately. It's a 24 volt Lexus rear view mirror motor. Works pretty good in here. This would do the trick, but he's a little bit too tall. And that's a problem, because as you're going to see here, now here's our Johnson 6-pole. This guy will handle anything. He's a size 2 motor. He's even got vents and stuff. He's a size 2 with extreme torque. And compare him to the Rev 1. Okay. A 2 versus a size 2 versus a size 1. Okay, so the torque here is way bigger. Now, one thing I have not tried, and I'm going to try now for you guys, just for you, is this guy, Face Ripper. We ain't tried Face Ripper. Now, the problem with Face Ripper is super tall. We put Face Ripper in here. How are we going to get this guy down over this? I don't know. But we have not tried him. And we might as well go ahead and give everybody a shot. He's going to be way up high. Oh yeah, he's way up high. Let's give everybody a shot at this. Because maybe Face Ripper, it'd be cool if Face Ripper did the right job. And, okay, power down. If Face Ripper did the right job, maybe we think about making a way to make him work in here. Because Face Ripper's, oh man, okay, I don't know if you can see that, but look at that joint right there. Okay, that's not the greatest of connection that we want. We would almost have to elevate him a little bit. We'd have to shim him up just a little bit. But let's get down here. Let's take a look. What if we put the Face Ripper in here? Well, what's going to happen? I don't know. Well, I'll tell you what. At about, I don't know what that is. That is like 4 volts. Oh man, Face Ripper takes care of business at 4 volts. Here's 6. Yeah, Face Ripper would be our guy, our go-to guy. See, Face Ripper's at 266. That means it's a size 2 motor of a length 6, so shorter than the Rev 1, but bigger, size 2, way bigger. That means the firebox is not going to go over the top of that thing. Or whatever this thing is that you call, that holds the logs and stuff. It's not going to go over the top of that. But the Face Ripper does the job that we need to have done. And does it at a low voltage too, which means you could do this guy on slow speed. I am very tempted to find a way. I'm almost tempted to cut the top of the firebox of the tender off completely, put the Face Ripper in there, and then use these log piles to disguise the fact that there is a giant motor in there. But for this Shay to run right, we need power, and we need big power. And I'm going to think about it a little bit here, and maybe that's where we're going to go.